Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Faizal. Today we are going to talk about conserving endangered species with artificial intelligence or AI. When I was a boy, I remember one day doing playtime in my hometown. On that day, I saw a gorgeous kittens jumping around near my house. It was unique, majestic. I came closer and realized that it was not an ordinary cat. Today, I wonder if that was the only times I could catch my eyes to see some things that might not exist today. It's going to be a significant loss for us all. In fact, we already lost. According to the International Unions of Conservation of Nature, IUCN, in June 2015, there was only an estimated 3,159 total population of Panthera tigris, or we call it tiger, which is only in the world now. Moreover, a few subspecies we believe to be already extinct, including Bali tigers, Java tigers, and Caspian tigers. In most cases, they are due to their habitats having been destroyed, degraded, and fragmented by human activities. In most research in AI, we tend to develop solutions to capture the data and use it to justify our actions to conserve the populations of endangered species, not only for tigers, but any animals. Using data gathered from various resources, including those that come from our smartphones, we can store those data in the cloud infrastructures. The AI can work through identifying the animals by automatically detect and cross-checking with the database. Similar to any AI applications like face recognitions, the solutions can predict which species of that animals and provide additional information regarding the endangered status. Research by Wee et al., published in 2020, introduced a new models to enable AI to detect and predict species with reasonable accuracy. The AI model is produced by the You Only Look Once, or YOLO library, using a complex neural network algorithms to allow accurate predictions even when we tested it using noisy images. This helps accelerate the identification process and probably will be helpful for tigers or any kind of animals we could use to train the models. As a way forward, to make sure that the technology can be used to facilitate the conservation of endangered species, we should be looking into an initiative that empower NGOs to help enrich more data and promote campaigns to use any data captures approaches and strategies. By doing this, we could develop a comprehensive database about the animals. Using AI, predicting these animals may help us justify governmental agencies to develop better conservation frameworks and policy. That's all for me today. Thank you.